Right then, I hope you're all doing well after watching the fabulous series on BBC. It is the one and only Cook, Eat, Repeat by Nigella Lawson. The absolute goddess, national treasure, food porn to the heavens. I really love the unique style that Nigella has put this into. It's almost like a love story, like a novel of food, and the way it's broken down. Love the contents with the introduction. What is a recipe? A is for anchovy. Pleasures are loving defense of brown food. Rhubarb, much depends on dinner. Christmas comforts. Make ahead storm freeze notes, which I think is a really important section here, because it's about things you can make ahead. Yes, there's always the snobbery of food and cooks. No one's got a larder like Nigella Lawson, but I absolutely love it when she shows me her larder. What I absolutely love covering, which you can see on my playlist with flavour bombs and things you can do in advance. I think this is a real key as amateur chefs to prepare things in advance. It's absolutely brilliant. Yeah, so really looking forward to covering a lot of recipes in here. I've actually made quite a lot already. Some lovely starters, mains, desserts. Really love the little section at the back. Food for me is a constant pleasure. I like to think greedily about it, reflect deeply on it, learn from it, and it provides comfort, inspiration, meaning, and beauty, as well as sustenance and structure. More than just a mantra. Cook, eat, repeat is a story of my life. Very good words. Work Nigella's done over the years is incredible. There is no one who can knock her off that top perch in terms of passion and food, the love, that she puts into not just her cookbooks, but also her BBC TV presentation. Absolutely great work. So yes, really looking forward to covering a lot of recipes in here. Please do subscribe and also turn on your notifications. Recipes every fortnight on Tuesdays at 4 o'clock. Some great work. Thank you, Nigella.